Well, hello there, guys. You probably remember me from, oh, a very long time ago. Probably back in 2014. I know originally when I was the original Timberwolf back in this word North Dakota. I'm pretty sure everybody remembers me as being the original Timberwolf and everything else. Well, all I want to do is I want to say hello to all of my fur friends on Facebook. Unfortunately, I have been closed out of my account due to some unfavorable events that took place. And all I can say is I know everybody's been watching my old Timberwolf video, and there's over 500 views and stuff on it. So, even though it's been nearly 5 years later, I decided, or actually, basically the first year, basically Norm, but everyone calls him Raven, Timberwolf, and everything else. Yeah, all I can say is he decided to do a revisit, and he decided to oh dear, I almost knocked the beer over. Can't believe I almost did that. But anyways, all I say is he decided to do a revisit, and he decided to remake me. Even though I am actually the newer version of this Timberwolf instead of the old Timberwolf, which unfortunately he was mostly made out of cardboard construction. This new version has all the new bells and whistles, what normal furries would have, especially for this first few pads. It has a movable jaw like this. See? Yeah. It does. Yeah. So yeah. Oops. So yeah. It does actually feel pretty good to be back, and I know it's been a very long time since on it. I know it's been a very long time since well, I know it's been nearly almost 5 years since I have been around, but since I have been recreated and now brought back to life, basically Norm is very happy to have Timberwolf back, and now I can be basically my old self, even though I am no longer in North Dakota or in Ohio, which, come to find out, the original Timberwolf did actually make it to Ohio, but unfortunately he got changed around. So, yeah. Anyways, that was the story. batteries. So, yeah. Anyways, even though since I'm no longer there, and now since I'm actually in Emporia, Kansas, which I'm pretty sure there's probably other couple furries here. Unfortunately, they're like the rest of the kind of don't like to read those. So yeah. Anyways, like I said before, I really don't care. So, but I'm back. All I want to say is hello to all my old friends. I'm hoping here sooner or later I'll have some more videos out. I would like to try to get one of my old Facebook accounts back, but since I really don't want to have to go through the drama again, so I don't think I would be making another one ever again. So, yeah. Anyways, all I say is I'm back. This is Timberwolf, the new 2.0 version with a movable jaw head. I got paws, as you see here. You have two foot paws. You have my tail, which I love it. I got a nice full bodysuit. It's all nice and conformed to my body. You know, like a body glove suit and everything else. So, anyways, I'm actually hoping here I'll be able to have a car though, so I'll be able to do first seat drive videos like Raven thing did though. That was pretty cool. So give you dibs on that. Anyways, this is Timberwolf here, and it's good to be back. And hello to everybody. And I'll see y'all later. So peace out and rock on. Whoops. And rock on, y'all. See ya. Bye.